Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by gathering parts and placing the IR sensor where it sees approaching objects, typically 10 to 30 centimeters from the gate pivot. Once done, power the microcontroller and wire grounds together so they share a reference. Make sure VCC to the sensor is correct, then connect the sensor signal to a digital input. Next, wire the motor driver to the microcontroller outputs, but don't power the motor yet. This prevents accidental spinning while you upload initial code. You now focus on calibration and the control logic. Start by reading raw IR values and print them to the serial monitor so you can pick a stable threshold. Once set, implement debounce to avoid false triggers. Next, map Arduino PWM pins to motor driver inputs for controlled opening and closing speeds. Finally, code a simple state machine with idle, opening, open, and closing states so the gate behaves predictably. Add timers for how long the gate stays open before closing automatically. You finish by securing electronics in a weatherproof enclosure and adding strain relief to all cables so vibrations don't cut connections. Once done, test the system on low voltage to verify motor direction and speed, then increase to normal supply while observing a few full cycles. Make sure limit switches or current sensing stop the motor when the gate reaches endpoints. If you see false triggers, the key troubleshooting tip is to slightly change the IR sensor angle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.